Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 09, Ad Testing. In this lesson, we will discuss the importance of ad testing in pay-per-click (PPC) advertising and how to conduct effective ad tests to improve the performance of your campaigns. 1. Why ad testing is important. Improve ad performance. Ad testing allows you to identify which ad variations resonate best with your audience and drive the highest click-through rates, CTR, and conversions. Optimize ad spend. By identifying high-performing ads, you can allocate your ad spend more effectively, focusing on the ads that deliver the best results. Enhance ad relevance. Testing different ad elements, such as headlines, descriptions, and call to action, helps you create more relevant ads that attract the right audience. 2. Types of ad tests. A/B testing. Compare two versions of an ad, A and B, to see which one performs better. Multivariate testing. Test multiple elements of an ad, such as headlines, descriptions, and images, to determine the best combination. 3. Elements to test. Headlines. Test different headline variations to see which ones attract more attention and drive higher CTR. Descriptions. Experiment with different ad copy to determine which messages resonate best with your audience. Call to action. CTA. Test different CTAs to see which ones lead to more conversions. Display URL. Test different display URLs to see which ones are more clickable. 4. Testing best practices. Test one element at a time to accurately measure the impact of a change. Only test one element at a time. Use a large enough sample size. Ensure that your test reaches a statistically significant sample size to draw valid conclusions. Set clear goals. Define clear goals for your ad test, e.g., increase CTR, improve conversion rate, to guide your testing strategy. Monitor results closely. Monitor the performance of your ads closely during the test to identify any significant changes. 5. Analyzing results. Compare performance metrics. Compare the performance of your ad variations based on relevant metrics, e.g., CTR, conversion rate, ROI. Identify winning ads. Determine which ad variations performed best and use them as the basis for future campaigns. By conducting regular ad tests and analyzing the results, you can optimize your PPC ads for maximum performance, drive higher CTRs and conversions, and improve the overall effectiveness of your campaigns.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.